Hi, Jason Knott with CE Pro, and I'm excited to be joined today by Brian Azzano, Vice President at Stealth Acoustics. Hi, Brian.
Hey, Jason, how are you today?
I'm doing great. Let's jump right into it. It's the spring season. We're heading into the spring season, the prime time for outdoor entertainment systems to be installed. At the same time, we've got this COVID-19 virus that's kind of lingering out there. Where do you see the market heading in the spring as we approach that time frame?
Yeah, it's certainly been a crazy beginning to the year, hasn't it, Jason? I think that, in looking at the project pipelines, this virus outbreak and the current restrictions that are in place, it definitely snuck up on everyone. Because if we look at some of our dealer pipelines, jobs are full. And, we're actually seeing an uptick in a lot of traffic now that there are travel restrictions in place and people are being asked to self-isolate. We're seeing an uptick in business everywhere from expanding networks in people's homes to accommodate the increased traffic from people working at home and kids being out of school and staying home. And that's providing another opportunity for integrators to get their foot in the door and look at other aspects or needs that client may have, such as upgrading video or audio systems throughout the house. So I definitely see opportunity in the situation, but I guess what I'm trying to say mostly is that, dealers' pipelines are full right now with spring installations, and it's important that we look past this virus outbreak and we stay positive about it, because if history tells us anything, it's that this will pass and we'll be back into the swing of things here in a few months, like other parts of the world are coming back online now after battling with this since the beginning of the year. So as we look forward, there's no slowdown in people specifying entertainment systems for their clients, specifically outdoor entertainment systems. I think there's also a bit of a changing mentality as people are looking towards the spring and into summer, combined with the need and desire to be able to get out and get a little fresh air. I think we're seeing some renewed interest in outdoor entertainment systems specifically.
So speaking of outdoor entertainment systems, the Stealth Patio Theater you guys have out, tell us a little bit about it.
So the Patio Theater family of products was really an opportunity for us to create a turnkey system that could take all the guesswork out of installing ultra-large format, daylight viewable LED TVs, sometimes that may pop up out of landscape features or be freestanding or fixed type installations, or even luxury marine applications. And it was really a way for us to roll that into one definitive package that allows the dealer to quickly install, deploy, and take all the guesswork out of designing this type of amazing outdoor entertainment system for their clients.
So tell us, how quickly and easily can the Stealth Patio Theater be installed?
So the installation is usually about a maximum of a day long. We provide delivery of this product, so we usually arrive in the morning, and usually by mid-afternoon the device is deployed and we're watching TV.
So all these parents and all these homeowners who are home right now stuck with their kids because they're not in school because of this virus restrictions, ideal time, and an integrator can get in and out pretty quickly.
Yeah, absolutely. Now we do look to a little bit of a lead time. We've got it's become quite a popular product for us, so we've got a bit of a production queue. But once it's built and deployed or delivered, I should say, the installation is very quick and easy.
All right, Brian Azzano, Stealth Acoustics. Thanks for joining CE Pro today.
Thanks, Jason. I appreciate it.